Welcome to Vortex AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to manage my stories section in Vortex AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on My Stories. Now you are on My Web Stories section. Here you can update your web story. Click on Update option. Now you can edit and update your web story. You can update your cover image, heading, content. You can also change your advanced settings here. Please remember that all the changes which are made by you in Story Editor may be not show here. If you want to update any slide, insert your data and click on Update option, but please remember, if you update your story, your drag and drop editor changes will be revert and update story features will be applied. Click on Update and your story will be updated. You can also re-edit your story. You can share your web story on your desired social platform. Thanks for watching video.